Hi, my name's Stuart. Today we're just southwest of Vienna. We're going to the so-called Steinbruchsee, which in English would be the Quarry Lake. As it's just outside Vienna, you're allowed to fly a drone there, which I'm very happy about, something I always look out for. And it's not that big, but it looks very beautiful. I hope the weather will hold up because it's rather cloudy today. And obviously the lake will look a lot better if we can get some sun on it. Join me after the intro for this. I'm also excited today to be trying out my gimbal. I have the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, which I bought because very recently I'm happy to announce that my wife and I, we've now got a baby daughter. And my wife was the one who accompanied me on my trips until now and did all the filming of me. So I had to improvise and find a way to continue doing that while still travelling on my own. So I've now got this gimbal. I've had it for a few weeks. Quite happy with its performance actually. I've used it in various situations already. So after a short walk, we will have reached the lake, I believe. See you there. Fortunately, you do get people littering here, although there are signs advising you to take your rubbish with you. I'll further point out to you that it's rather difficult to visit the whole area. You're only limited to a small space of it. And not only that, but although the lake is very beautiful, you're not allowed to swim on it. But many people do ignore this. I'm not one of those people. Typical. You arrive at the scene, you want to fly your drone. What happens? You turn it on and there's an update that you need to download first. I hate it when that happens. I only turned it on yesterday, so just a day later and suddenly you're bombarded with 230 megabytes of updates. Still a wee wait until I can finally put the drone in the air. Okay, that's me heading back. Just a few nice shots there. It's always fun when people spot the drone. I could hear a group of kids excitedly searching the sky, shouting that they'd seen a drone. They didn't find me though, good for me. That's always fun. Once I even had a kid come up to me, ask me if he could fly it. I said no, not this expensive piece of equipment. Also in Austria at least you have to be 18 and you need a license to do so. So legally I'm not permitted to let anyone fly my drone. Very nice tranquil area if you're in Austria and you want just a day to relax out in the sun by a lake. It's fabulous. If like me you come during the weekday when everyone's working, it's even better of course. But again, as far as I know you're not allowed to swim, although there are quite a lot of people doing that very thing right now. Leave a comment down below if there's any place around Vienna or Austria you want to see, or whether you think this would be a nice place to go and visit with the dog, walking with the family or such like. There are also further pathways for walking, so if you're into that kind of thing, I'm sure you can find more here. I'm walking back to my car now. I'm not quite sure, this might be the end of the video, maybe, maybe not. There's a derelict building just where I'm parking, and I thought it might be quite interesting to send the drone up there to have a closer look at it. So, depending on whether I manage to do so, this either may be the end of the video or not. Quite sure what this is. I believe it's used to be some factory or some firm that had a connection to a railway station. Looks very fascinating from the outside anyway. Can't enter the building. I'm not quite sure I would want to. It seems to be, as I said, derelict, so definitely unsafe. So I'm going to try and send the drone up right now to the building here. We'll see what happens. That's what I'll end the video with, so I'll thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. It really supports it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.